The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, has brought humanity to the precipice of a new era in space exploration, and its discoveries are shaking the foundations of both science and religion. This incredible scientific marvel, launched to peer deeper into space and time than any of its predecessors, has opened a door to the distant past, allowing us to glimpse the earliest stars and galaxies, and the very beginning of the universe itself. The implications of these findings go far beyond the realms of astronomy and physics, stretching into profound philosophical and spiritual realms that challenge our most deeply held beliefs about existence, creation, and the nature of the cosmos. The sense of awe and wonder that the JWST inspires is not just rooted in the sheer scale of its technical capabilities but also in the magnitude of its potential to answer questions that have plagued humanity for millennia. As the telescope uncovers galaxies that formed just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang, it forces us to reconsider what we know about the origins of the universe, the development of life, and perhaps even the existence of other civilizations beyond our own. These discoveries are not only transforming our scientific understanding of the universe but are also reigniting debates about the relationship between science and religion. After all, the search for knowledge, for the very essence of our being and our place in the cosmos, has always been deeply intertwined with the spiritual quest for meaning and purpose. When we look back at the history of science, we see that the most significant revolutions have often been met with resistance, particularly from religious institutions. The last time humanity faced such a monumental shift in understanding was when Galileo Galilei, over 400 years ago, proposed that Earth was not the center of the universe, a view that contradicted the long-held beliefs of the Catholic Church. At the time, this was considered heresy, and Galileo found himself under threat of persecution for challenging the geocentric model of the universe. His work, however, laid the foundation for the Copernican revolution and marked a pivotal moment in human history, one that forever changed our view of the cosmos. In many ways, we are now standing at the threshold of another such revolution, brought about by the incredible discoveries made possible by the JWST. Just as Galileo's telescope shattered the illusion of an Earth-centered universe, the JWST is dismantling long-held assumptions about the universe itself. With its advanced infrared technology, the telescope can capture light from some of the oldest galaxies ever observed, galaxies that are more than 13.7 billion years old. These galaxies are glimpses into the infancy of the universe, offering insights into its earliest stages and the processes that led to the formation of stars, galaxies, and eventually life. The discovery of water vapor in the atmospheres of exoplanets, for instance, is a revelation that could have profound implications for our understanding of the origins of life and the potential for life beyond Earth. Yet, the discoveries made by the JWST are not only astounding for their technical achievements but also for the way they challenge our fundamental beliefs about the universe. The very idea that there might be other worlds, possibly even other forms of life, raises profound questions about the nature of creation. If the universe is teeming with life, what does that mean for religious teachings that emphasize the uniqueness of Earth and humanity? Are we truly the pinnacle of creation, or are we just one of countless civilizations spread across an infinite cosmos? The implications of these questions extend far beyond the realm of science and into the deepest corners of human philosophy and theology. The search for life beyond Earth is not a new endeavor. For centuries, humans have looked up at the stars and wondered whether we are alone in the universe. The idea of extraterrestrial life has been a subject of fascination in both science and religion, often leading to a blending of the two. In the modern era, science has taken the lead in this search, with missions to Mars, the discovery of exoplanets, and the ongoing study of the atmospheres of distant worlds. The JWST, however, has taken this search to unprecedented heights. Its ability to observe the atmospheres of exoplanets and detect the presence of water vapor, a key ingredient for life as we know it, has brought us closer than ever to answering the age-old question, are we alone? If the JWST were to find definitive evidence of life elsewhere in the universe, it would represent one of the most groundbreaking discoveries in human history. Such a discovery would not only transform our understanding of biology and the conditions necessary for life but also force us to reconsider our place in the cosmos. For many religious people, the discovery of extraterrestrial life would be a challenge to traditional views of creation. After all, most religious narratives, whether Christian, Jewish, or Islamic, emphasize the idea that Earth and humanity are central to God's creation. The thought that life could exist elsewhere might challenge the idea that we are unique in the universe and that God created Earth as the focal point of creation. However, this is not to say that such a discovery would be incompatible with religious belief. In fact, many religious thinkers have long considered the possibility that life exists beyond Earth. In the Christian tradition, for example, there are numerous interpretations of the Bible that suggest that God's creation is far vaster than just our planet. Some theologians argue that the discovery of life on other planets would simply be another example of the boundless creativity of God, who, according to these views, might have created multiple worlds, each with its own form of life. Similarly, in Islam, the idea of God creating other worlds is not foreign. The Quran contains verses that describe the creation of the heavens and the earth, and many Islamic scholars have interpreted these passages as indicating that God created multiple realms beyond our own. Moreover, the possibility of multiple universes, a concept that is gaining increasing attention in both physics and philosophy, offers another potential avenue for reconciling science and religion. The idea that our universe is just one of many, each with its own set of physical laws and possibly its own forms of life, is a concept that has been explored in both science fiction and theoretical physics. In recent years, however, the notion of a multiverse has gained serious consideration among scientists. The JWST, with its ability to observe the very earliest galaxies and the formation of stars, could provide crucial evidence for the existence of multiple universes. If the JWST's findings suggest that our universe is just one of many, it could have profound implications for our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. Such a discovery would challenge the very notion of a singular, unique creation and would force us to rethink the relationship between science, religion, and the nature of existence itself. The concept of a multiverse is not new to human thought. Ancient cultures around the world have long believed in the existence of multiple worlds, often populated by gods, spirits, and other beings. In Hinduism, for example, the Vedas describe the existence of many worlds, each with its own inhabitants. Similarly, in Norse mythology, the gods created 9 different worlds, each with its own distinct characteristics. These ancient myths, though often dismissed by modern science, now seem to bear striking similarities to the scientific theory of the multiverse. The possibility that our universe is just one of many is a concept that resonates with these ancient beliefs, and it suggests that the discoveries of the JWST may have a deeper spiritual dimension, one that bridges the gap between science and religion. Indeed, the JWST's discoveries are forcing us to reconsider not only the nature of the universe but also the very nature of our existence. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos, we are confronted with questions that go beyond the scope of science alone. What does it mean to be human in an infinite and possibly multiversal universe? Are we simply a product of chance, or is there a deeper purpose to our existence? These are questions that science alone cannot answer, and they are the very questions that have long been the domain of religion and philosophy. As we approach these questions with the tools of modern science, we may find that the answers lie not just in the physical laws of the universe but in the metaphysical realms that have been explored by philosophers and spiritual thinkers throughout history. The discoveries made by the JWST are not just reshaping our understanding of the universe, they are reshaping our understanding of ourselves. As we peer deeper into space and time, we are forced to confront the limitations of our knowledge and the boundaries of human understanding. The more we learn, the more we realize how little we truly know. This realization is both humbling and awe-inspiring. It reminds us that the universe is far more vast and mysterious than we could ever have imagined, and that the answers to the deepest questions of existence may lie far beyond our current understanding. At the same time, it opens up new possibilities for the future. Perhaps the discoveries made by the JWST will help us unlock the secrets of the cosmos and bring us closer to understanding the true nature of reality. Or perhaps, as some believe, the search for knowledge will ultimately lead us back to the spiritual truths that have guided humanity for centuries. As we stand at the threshold of this new era of discovery, we are faced with a choice. We can continue to view science and religion as opposing forces, each with its own domain and its own set of truths, or we can seek to reconcile the two, understanding that they may not be as separate as we once believed. The discoveries of the JWST, and the questions they raise, may offer a unique opportunity to bridge the gap between science and religion and to explore the mysteries of the universe from a new perspective, one that embraces both the physical and the metaphysical. In the end, the pursuit of knowledge is not just a quest to understand the universe but a quest to understand ourselves, our place in the cosmos, and the deeper meaning of existence. Whether through science, religion, or a combination of the two, we are all searching for the same truth, the truth of who we are, where we come from, and what our future holds. And as we continue to explore the universe, we may find that the answers we seek lie not just in the stars but within ourselves.